This is Janet Bryan, FNIP educator from McDowell County Cooperative Extension with an easy overnight oats recipe. Start with 1/2 cup of old-fashioned oats. Steel cut oats don't absorb the liquid as well and can leave it tough, and quick cooking oats leave it a little mushy. Next, you're going to have 1/3 cup of sweetened chocolate almond milk. If you're not a fan of chocolate, you can leave that out and just use sweetened almond milk. Next, you have 1 tablespoon of creamy peanut butter melted. That makes it easier to stir into the jar when you mix all 3 ingredients together. Mix all 3 ingredients into a jar, mix it well, and place it in the refrigerator overnight. The next morning you can eat your oats cold or you can warm them up. You also have the option of topping with miniature chocolate chips or chopped pecans as added protein. Thank you for watching this video and good luck and enjoy your overnight oats.